Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this video we are going to learn how to fix Brawl Stars Server Error 43. So without further ado, let's get started. So there are two ways that you can do that. First is to clear the cache of that app, and second is to use a VPN. So first I will show you how you can clear cache, and don't delete your data. If you delete your data you will lose all your game. Okay, so go to data usage. Okay, go to storage, click on clear data and only click on clear cache. So just click on clear cache, click OK, and now you can check if the error has gone. If it's not has gone, if it didn't go, you can just simply download this VPN here, secure VPN, and use it and change the country and then check if the error has gone. So that's how you can fix the server error. So that's it for today guys, hope you found the video helpful. See you soon, have a good day.